GoTo Resolve promises to streamline IT helpdesk management, but is it the best solution for your business? In this review, we'll take a deep dive into GoTo Resolve, break down its key features, and compare it to some strong alternatives, giving you the full picture to make an informed decision. First up, let's talk about ease of use. GoTo Resolve is designed to simplify remote IT support. It has a user-friendly interface that integrates seamlessly with other GoTo products, making it a solid choice for businesses already using their ecosystem. But here's the thing, while it's easy to navigate, some users report that the setup process can feel a bit sluggish. You'll need to invest some time to make sure everything is set up properly, and even then, it may not be as intuitive as you expect, especially for less tech-savvy team members. Next thing, the remote support capabilities. GoTo Resolve does an excellent job with its remote access features, allowing IT teams to troubleshoot and fix issues on employees' machines without stepping foot in the office. But there's a catch. If you're comparing it to top competitors like TeamViewer or Freshdesk, you'll notice that GoTo Resolve lacks some advanced functionality. For example, TeamViewer provides better support for cross-platform connections, making it a more versatile option if your team uses a variety of devices. The third thing to mention is reporting and analytics. GoTo Resolve provides basic reporting features, but they're not as robust as some of the alternatives in the space. If detailed performance metrics and comprehensive reporting are crucial for you, GoTo Resolve might feel a bit limiting. Competitors like Freshdesk and Zohodesk offer more advanced analytics that can help you track customer support trends over time and make better data-driven decisions. Now, let's talk about pricing. GoTo Resolve offers a competitive pricing structure, but it's not the cheapest option on the market. If you're a small business or a startup looking for an affordable solution, the cost may add up quickly. On the flip side, it does provide an all-in-one service that combines remote access with ticketing and other IT management tools. If that's what you're looking for, then the cost might be justified. The fifth thing to consider is customer support. As an IT helpdesk software, you'd expect GoTo Resolve's customer support to be top-notch, and while it does offer 24/7 support, some users report mixed experiences. Response times can vary, and it's not uncommon for users to feel like their issues aren't being fully addressed in the first round of contact. This is a key area where GoTo Resolve could improve, especially when compared to alternatives like Freshdesk, which is known for having exceptional customer support. The last point we need to mention is its integrations. GoTo Resolve supports integrations with other GoTo products, but when it comes to third-party integrations, it's a bit more limited than some of its competitors. If you're already invested in a range of other tools and need a helpdesk solution that can connect to all of them, GoTo Resolve might leave you wanting more. So, is GoTo Resolve the best choice for your IT helpdesk? It has some great features, but it's not without its flaws. It's certainly a solid option for teams that are already using GoTo products, but if you need a solution with more flexibility, advanced reporting, or stronger customer support, there are definitely better alternatives out there. If you're looking for something with a bit more to offer, we've found some amazing alternatives that might better suit your needs. And as a bonus, through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits and an extended free trial for GoTo Resolve, and even better free trials for the alternatives we've recommended. You won't want to miss out on this exclusive offer, so make sure to check the description below for all the details.